Manu Sharma. Now today we are going to learn about electrostatic potential energy or electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. First, we should know about the electric potential energy. What is electric potential energy? In simply, we can say that electric potential energy is that energy required to move a unit positive charge from infinity to the specific location. So electric potential energy is the energy required to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a specific location is electric potential energy. So here the definition is the electric potential energy of a system of point charges may be defined as the amount of work done in assembling the charges at their location by bringing them in from infinity. जब हामीले इन्फिनिटीबाट एउटा स्पेसिफिक चार्जलाई त्यो लोकेसनमा ल्याउनको लागि जुन चाहिँ एनर्जी हामीलाई चाहिन्छ that energy is known as electrostatic potential energy or electric potential energy. So first case in यसमा हाम्रो दुईटा केसेस छ. एउटा चाहिँ हो two charge system and the next one is three charge system. First we will doing the two charge system. हामी पहिला के गर्छौं two charge system मा गर्छौं. two charge system मा so number 1 is potential energy. Potential energy of a system of two charges. Okay. Now two charges. Here is a line segment joining the points. So this point is P1 and this point is P2. So here it is Q1 and here is Q2. Suppose we consider the Q is at rest. Suppose a point charge Q1 is at rest. Q1 is at rest. Suppose a point charge Q1 is at rest at P1 in space. Q1 is at rest. Q1 चाहिँ रेस्टमा छ. स्पेसमा Q1 चाहिँ रेस्टमा छ. मिन्स त्यसको वरिपरि कुनै पनि चार्ज छैन. मिन्स त्यतिखेर चाहिँ यसको वर्क डन 0 हुन्छ. So it takes no work to bring no works to bring the first charge Q1 because there is no electric field. Electric field produced by neighboring charge. Okay. So when Q1 is at rest, जब चाहिँ Q1 चाहिँ रेस्टमा हुन्छ means हामीले यो जुन चाहिँ रेस्टमा भएको चार्जलाई चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ ल्याएर राखिदियौं भने चाहिँ there is no work done. Why there is no work done भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा चार्जलाई मात्र ल्याउँदैछ. यो Q2 अहिले हाम्रोमा छैन. यो जस्तो यो लाइन सेगमेन्ट जोइनिङ यो त रिजल्टको फिगर हो. तर Q2 त्यहाँनेर छैन. अनि त्यतिखेर चाहिँ देयर इज नो वर्क डन. It takes no work to bring the first charges Q1 because there is no electric field produced by neighboring charges. अब यसको वरिपरि स्पेसको यसको वरिपरि जुन चाहिँ Q1 लाई लगेर राखेको ठाउँ छ त्यसको वरिपरि चाहिँ हाम्रो चार्जेस नेबरिङ चार्जेस छैन. द्याट्स वाइ Q1 लाई यहाँनिर ल्याएर राख्दाखेरि चाहिँ देयर इज नो वर्क डन. सो इन दिस केस therefore W1 equals to 0. Now अब हामी के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ Q2 लाई चाहिँ इन्फिनिटीबाट त्यो पोइन्टमा ल्याउँ. इन्फिनिटीलाई Q2 लाई चाहिँ इन्फिनिटीबाट हामीले दिस इज पाथ इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट यो पोइन्टमा ल्यायो Q2 लाई चाहिँ. सपोज द पोजिसन भेक्टर इज R12. एट दैट टाइम अब के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यतिखेर चाहिँ फर्स्ट वी शुड नो अबाउट द पोटेन्शियल एट P2. वी शुड नो अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेन्शियल एट P2. पहिला हामीले इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेन्शियल जान्नुपर्छ P2 को, अन्त मात्रै हामीले पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु सकिन्छ. सो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल due to Q1 at P2 is, so V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. This is the distance. This is the electric potential. यसले बनाएको जुन चाहिँ पोटेन्शियल अगाडि हामीले यसलाई ल्याएर यहाँनिर राखिदियौँ. आफ्टर दैट अब हामीले यो पोइन्टको पहिला इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्छ. फर्स्ट वी शुड क्याल्कुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल अफ दिस पोइन्ट. आफ्टर दैट नाउ अब हामीले वर्क डन निकाल्नु पर्यो. सो वर्क डन इज if the Q2 is moved from infinity to the point P2, infinity to point P2, the work required is if the charge Q2 moved from infinity to point P2, then required work done is W2 equals to हामीले कुन चाहिँ चार्जलाई ल्याउँदैछौँ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ Q2 लाई ल्याउँदैछौँ. सो दिस टाइम what is the definition of work done? It is charge into potential difference. So charge into potential difference. So Q2 into V. So W2 equals to Q2. So V is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12 into Q2. So this equals to W2 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. So this is the work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to point P. हामीले यो वर्क डन चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ वर्क डन हो भन्दा चाहिँ हामीले Q2 लाई चाहिँ इन्फिनिटीबाट यो पोइन्ट P2 मा ल्याउने जुन चाहिँ वर्क डन भयो. अब हामीलाई चाहिएको छ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. नाउ टोटल वर्क डन total work done is W equals to W1 plus W2. So W1 is 0 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. So W equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Now this work done is stored as electric potential energy. This work done is stored as electrostatic potential energy. Since the work done is stored as electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. So it is generated by U, capital U. This equals to W. So W is U equals to W is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. So this is the electric potential energy of two charge system. Electric potential energy of two charge system. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.